So what do we do when it comes to cleaning? If you are at home, what you can do is rinse the pants straight away. If you have a sink nearby, you can give them a rinse, and then you can just pop them straight in the washing machine. If you are out and about, what's really useful to have is a wet bag. So when you've removed the pants, what you can do is fold them up and place them into the wet bag so that you can deal with them when you get home. Once you're home, you can take the pants out of the wet bag and give them a rinse and then pop them straight in the washing machine. For washing your period pants, you can pop them straight in the washing machine with the rest of your washing. There's no reason not to do that. If you wanted to wash them all at once, you could keep them in a larger wet bag or in a tub so that you can put them all in the washing machine at the end of your period and wash them all together. Make sure that they're all rinsed, pop them in the washing machine and just use your normal detergent. Don't use fabric softener as this can affect the absorbency of the pants. If you want an alternative to fabric softener, you can use white vinegar as this acts in the same way but doesn't affect the absorbency of the pants. There is always the option to hand wash them as well. Just pop them in the sink with some warm water, add your detergent and just wash them as you normally would hand wash an item. When you've washed your pants, you'll need to dry them. Try not to tumble dry them as again this can affect the absorbency of the pads and it can damage them as well. The best way to dry them is to air dry them, so just pop them out on a line. Once they come out the washing machine, it's a good idea just to give them a bit of a squeeze because they are so absorbent. You can give them a squeeze just to get rid of any excess moisture. When you put your pants on the line, make sure that they're not all bunched up because they'll take longer to dry. So if you lay them out flat, that will help them dry nice and quickly. Don't put them on radiators because again, that can affect the fibres of the pants.